and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. Christmas is a magic day.
Guys, I fished them with onion catch this, you know. Dinner looks so good. Dinner looks good. I love it. Looks nice. Rice and peas, fried fish, macaroni and cheese with lettuce and ranch dressing. Boy, guys, Crocs and pants. Heading home from work. Last day of school. Well, kinda. Tomorrow is staff outing, so you know, we're not gonna hit that side of the world tomorrow, and I'm gonna St. Mary tomorrow. Currently heading home. Yeah, so holiday season winding down nicely. Feeling good about that, cause I want to tell my yard. Even if I'm not telling my yard, but at least I have to come this side of the world so often. So yeah. So I am myself when I get to stay home. I am myself when I don't have to go to work. I feel good, but I don't have to go to work. Oh my God, I don't understand. I know the people that will understand. I can't want to wash, I can't want to declutter, I can't want to sort out. So hopefully I get the time to do that for the holiday. Can't want proper vacuum and all of that. Oh. Anyways, I go home, actually I go home, go clean, finish clean my house. Finish clean my house, most want finish clean. So I'm going to finish clean. But I stop at OCHO, get some stuff. With the beer kids. I'm gonna go with the laundry. Finish clean and all of that. And as I said, tomorrow starts social. So tomorrow we're gonna go out. And I hope to have fun tomorrow. I hope it will be a day filled with fun and all of that. So yeah. That's the updates right now. Today Vlogmas day 90. Police boy. You're lucky, you know, people.
Tap somebody.
But you gonna need a pint now, yeah.
Tap somebody.
See me? Funny long time.
If you ain't catching me, though, see you man show me gun.
Me know. Yeah, but you lucky now?
You don't get catch, I taxi that get catch.
It taxi in front of you?
Yeah.
Sometimes they don't take a taxi them.
No, you don't get catch, man, I must speak.
Sometimes they don't take a taxi them. And they said, let me catch me time, you know. And nobody they give me like, it's a one man gear light.
No, about 3 of them.
And 3 of them gear light? So it takes so long to fix slow down.
Because 3 of them get like one back a wire.
Oh.
3 of them get like one time.
Yeah, so. Yes.
Sure that the man they get a ticket. See, man only gonna show it.
And ticket them big, you know. Ticket them big. Alright, people, so yeah. Yeah, feel good, cause we are close out the season, so the school term, that's the only time I feel good at them time, yeah. And then after that, no, I can say yes. You know what? This is this, that is that. So, yeah. Guys, the Junkanoo people, them, you know, not for game, Grizzle. You know, I'm not for game. $50. Go him.
It's all
Say hello. White River. Oh. I can't get away with Griffin and it's miserable. Mom? I can stay so. Eh? I don't know why I'm scared so. Miserable, can't go nowhere with him. As I mentioned, we're coming to buy cake, so to bake cake. So that's what we're doing. They have all the stuff right here that we're gonna need. Cherry, how much for cherry? Alright, people.
That's it.
Got cherries? Yeah. All of them sticky. The pan and the pan and the butter. Why is the pan and shell or something? No. Butter, you want butter? 3 raisins here. And baking powder and so forth.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right.
I'm not the baker and people. I'm just assistant. So I assist with everything. So I have to ask what you need. Yeah. Buy the 15 now.
But now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you.
Guys, babe rolling out with these cakes. Yep. So them ready. And I'm gonna do the taste test first. Cause you know, so me have to taste it till all them turn out. Not true. Yep. Alright guys, so the cake is finished and I am going to try it. The hot noodle. Yum.
The Christmas cake.
And I taste the fruits in there. Tagwan, no bad. Alright, you know we're doing things now, so you might it tastes good. So it's warm. If you don't want it warm, they give it a warm taste. but the fruits and everything in there nice. And when it's cold, you know, it kind of still comes to that full. So yeah, I'm gonna go on. Make sure to add on the Christmas cake, people. 2,100 for the ones with fruits. I think it's for the 9-inch.
Just put this in the data bag.
I will put it in there. 1,000. No, much fees without fruits.
You know,
$2,000. $1,450 with fruit for the 7-inch. I think I wanted the $350 without fruit.
Oh, that was funny. So.
Well, alright, we'll put the post guy in there. We'll put the post guy.
Right around the mistletoe.